Podcasting in 2026 is really hard.
False. Actually,
It's easier than ever before with Riverside. Here are 4 features that are so good, they feel like cheating. Remote podcasting has been a thing since the inception of podcasts, but it was always clunky, to say the least. It required everyone on the show to have their own recording equipment and software. Recording an additional scratch track was required for syncing all of the files in post, and then you had to adjust for audio drift. It was a nightmare, especially when trying to have guests on the show. But flash forward to 2026, and Riverside has eliminated all of the headaches with its remote recording software. It allows you to have up to 10 participants on a podcast without any fancy equipment. Files for each guest are recorded locally on their devices, so you avoid dropped frames or internet interruptions to ruin a take. Then they are uploaded and time-synced, so everything lines up perfectly without hours of syncing work. Compared to Zoom, Riverside is vastly superior for remote podcasting. Guests don't need to have an account, recording quality is higher, and Riverside has way more bells and whistles for remote podcasting and growing your show. Like I already mentioned, you don't need fancy equipment to start a podcast with Riverside. In fact, all you need is your iPhone. From your iPhone, you can schedule, record, and edit your podcast using the Riverside app. This is really incredible considering you used to need podcasting equipment plus an expensive computer with expensive software to edit the show before distributing it to your favorite podcatchers. Now, I want to put a few disclaimers on this point. Creating the show on your iPhone is not as fast as editing on a computer. It does not provide the same level of precision as editing in professional software on your computer. It won't provide the same level of quality as recording on a Shure SM7B, but it does open up the door for anyone looking to explore podcasting and start creating. It also provides a really easy way to connect with guests who don't have fancy setups or who aren't super tech savvy. To join your show, guests can download the app for free, accept an invite from you, and they're in. So what does editing in your phone look like? It's actually really simple. Because Riverside provides text-based editing, you can simply tap and drag over any word you want to remove, and then click the delete button at the bottom of your phone. If you make a mistake, just select the text you want added back in and tap restore. You also have the option to remove pauses and enhance the audio quality using their AI tools. In addition to AI audio tools, Riverside also uses AI to create shorts automatically for you after you're finished recording. There are several other tools out there that create shorts from existing content, but Riverside has one feature that most other AI shorts creation software doesn't. It works with the original files. This means that it doesn't have to try and cut around effects, transitions, B-roll, background music, or any other choices you made for your long-form content. Riverside gets to work with the original files to create meaningful short-form content. You're also able to access all of the editing tools Riverside offers to adjust and finalize the shorts so they're ready to go out. Additionally, you can work with Riverside's AI co-creator to pull shorts based on your own understanding of the episode. All you have to do is type, "Help me create a short about X, Y, or Z," and co-creator will help you create shorts ready for any social platform. Another way you can create content for any platform with Riverside is through their multi-streaming software. Through Riverside, you can host live streaming events and easily stream to Facebook, X, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitch, Instagram, TikTok, and Riverside's live event platform. I've tried streaming through OBS's free software in the past, and it worked. But it required more effort than Riverside. With multi-streaming, you get all of the functionality of remote podcasting with the benefit of connecting with your audience live. This is awesome if you want to do a live podcast or provide a behind-the-scenes look to Patreon members while you record the show. Riverside has a ton of great features, and these are just a few of my favorites. If you want to learn more about Riverside, check out this video here.